download that file for FZ82. Download it. It's a zip file. Place that bin file onto the memory card of the camera. Okay, it is here. Now power it on. It's covered here in the front. Okay, now press the playback button, the green. Please wait. Start version up. It says 1.1. Version up ongoing. Do not operate any of the buttons on the camera. So the firmware of this FZ82 is being updated. Now it turned off or something. The lens is extended. No message. Let's power it off. On again. Nothing. Now if I enter, now it's not showing that update anymore. Maybe it deleted the file from the memory card. So the firmware of this FZ82 was updated.